Today we're going to learn about renal biopsy. A renal biopsy is a procedure used to extract kidney tissues for laboratory analysis. The word renal describes the kidneys, so renal biopsy is also called a kidney biopsy. The kidney removes urea from the blood by producing urine. It maintains a balance of chemicals such as sodium and potassium in the blood. It supplies the hormone erythropoietin, which supports red blood cell growth, controls blood pressure by producing the hormone renin. It also helps to activate the hormone calcitriol, which regulates calcium absorption and calcium blood levels. Indications of renal biopsy: unexplained renal failure, acute nephrotic syndrome, isolated non nephrotic proteinuria, isolated glomerular hematuria, renal masses, renal transplant rejection, renal transplant dysfunction, connective tissue diseases such as systemic lupus erythematosus. Contraindications of renal biopsy: uncorrectable bleeding, diathesis, uncontrollable severe hypertension, active renal or perirenal infection, skin infection at biopsy site. Required for renal biopsy are incision and drainage tray, lignocaine injection, underpad, gauze, povidone biopsy gun, sterile gloves, dynaplast, biopsy container, scissors, USG machine, and syringes. Pre-preparation for renal biopsy. Patient gets admitted. Pre-biopsy patient assessment is done by the medical staff. Check vitals before biopsy. Check for proper consent from the patient and attender to do complete blood count and coagulation profile. NPO for 6 hours except for the medication. Check patient if not on aspirin, warfarin. Control of blood pressure is most important to reduce the bleeding risk. Most and important is to explain the procedure to the patient. Post biopsy monitoring. After the renal biopsy, the patient is placed on supine position and is at bed rest for 6 to 8 hours. The blood pressure is monitored frequently. Urine examined for visible hematuria. The skin puncture site is to be examined for excessive bleeding. If there's no evidence of bleeding after 6 hours, the patient can sit up in the bed and subsequently allowed to move. If visible hematuria develops, bed rest is continued until the bleeding settles. Complications of renal biopsy: dull ache pain, perirenal hematoma, visible hematuria. Thank you.